everyone. Welcome back to the English Flow podcast with your hosts, Emma.
And Jack, back again to save the world from English mistakes, one awkward sentence at a time.
And trust me, there are many mistakes.
Too many.
Today, we're diving into the most common English mistakes people still make in 2025.
Not just beginners, everyone.
Even native speakers.
Especially native speakers.
Let's start with the classic bored versus boring.
Oh, here we go.
So many people still say, I'm boring, when they mean, I'm bored.
One means you feel uninterested.
And the other means,
You make other people uninterested.
big difference.
Huge.
Example, I'm bored because Emma keeps explaining grammar.
And that's why Jack will not be speaking for the rest of the episode. I regret everything.
Another big one, forgetting the S in the present simple.
Ah, yes, the famous he go to school problem.
Correct form?
He goes to school.
To all learners listening, don't worry. Everyone does this when learning English,
Even advanced learners slip sometimes.
but not me.
Jack also says, I seen it sometimes.
Okay, well, that was one time.
Sure.
Here's another mistake that refuses to die. Much versus many.
If you can count it, many.
If you can't count it, much. For example, how many friends do you have? How much money do you have? And if you're Jack, the answer is always not much.
Wow. Straight to the heart.
Okay, this one is still everywhere. Fun versus funny. Fun means enjoyable. Funny means it makes you laugh.
Example: the party was fun.
But Jack's dance moves were not funny.
They were expressive.
They were concerning.
A big problem is that people are scared to correct others.
But correcting doesn't need to be rude. Try saying, actually, we say it like this. Or, another way to say that is, or, a more natural phrase would be,
And if you're correcting Jack, just say, stop talking.
I walked into that one. All right, pronunciation time.
My favorite.
The word comfortable is not comfortable.
Say it naturally. Comfortable.
And vegetable.
Vegetable.
And please, 2025, let's stop saying ax. It's ask.
English learners, you're doing great. Native speakers, do better. And here's something important.
Some mistakes don't matter.
Slang changes.
Grammar evolves.
Accents are beautiful.
And mistakes mean you're actually using the language.
Exactly. The goal isn't perfect English.
The goal is communication.
And confidence.
And not saying, I'm boring, unless you truly are.
Stop it.
That wraps up today's episode of the English Flow podcast.
If you enjoyed it, hit like, subscribe, and tell us which English mistake you've made.
Or the one people around you make the most.
We'll read the funniest ones in the next episode.
Thanks for listening,
Stay curious.
and stay learning.